Thank you, gentlemen. I now ask Student Body President Roland Waguespack to the podium and address this assembly.
All year and all around us, the number 175 loomed large. A testament to our storied tradition and the magnitude of Jesuit success, this insignia makes me feel insignificant in the grand scheme of Blue Jay history. It unites all the past and present triumphs of our school into a single J wrapped in a banner. Yes, Jesuit has succeeded mightily over the course of 175 years in many ways. But that begs the question, how do the successes of this year add to the magnitude of the Doedren's bicentennial celebration? Academically, Jesuit is an unquestioned powerhouse. This graduating class features 32 students honored by national merit and 4 students with a perfect score on the ACT. These Blue Jays are attending some of the most prestigious universities in the nation, and one student is even heading across the pond to study in Wales. Athletically, Jesuit continues to excel. Whether it is the nationally ranked and renowned rugby and cross-country teams, or our powerful state champion swimming and wrestling teams, Jesuit has achieved athletic success. I would also like to mention Jesuit's baseball, lacrosse, and track and field teams that feel confident in bringing home even more state championships to Carrollton and Banks. Beyond just sports, Jesuit succeeds in other extracurricular. Our mock trial team dominated the state tournament and will compete in the national tournament in the coming weeks. Also, the newly founded Gizzard Gaming brought esports to Jesuit High School and has become one of the largest teams in the school. Jesuit esports has already received national recognition and is ranked in the top 10 in the nation. The Phils have just completed an excellent run of Something Rotten, and the ROTC and band have continued to be trademark organizations on campus. The Jesuit Student Council, led by the executive board, toiled diligently to inflame school spirit throughout this year. We brought back senior versus faculty competitions from a long-awaited hiatus, added more Fresh Kicks Fridays, and joyfully brought back the Carrollton Clash Trophy to its rightful home. We served exclusively to better Jesuit High School and us all as Blue Jays. We can and should feel joyous pride in these accomplishments. But the power of these Doedren's bicentennial banners points to something greater, something that cannot easily be quantified. Not a student here will remember their exact grade in every class or every play of their entire athletic career. But that is not what defines success at this school. Jesuit's historic success comes from the men of faith and men for others that were properly formed and sent into this world. We, as students of Jesuit High School, are called to be men that are willing to work and toil to do what is right. Men of empathy and compassion to help those in need. Like St. Ignatius of Loyola, we are men called down to lay our swords of honor and glory at Montserrat and to live out the will of our Heavenly Father. These moments of humility and adversity are challenging, but they form the leaders and the men that the world needs, the leaders and the men that call themselves Blue Jays. The celebration of Jesuit history and the Doedren's bicentennial should inflame you to better live out the calling as a man of faith and a man for others. Pre-freshmen and freshmen, embrace Jesuit High School. Go to events and get involved. Jesuit will grow you into a virtuous man of God if you take the time to embrace Blue Jay spirit. Sophomores and juniors, you are the new leaders of this school. Model yourselves to be worthy examples to the underclassmen and live a life of service to the Jesuit community. To lead, one must serve. Embrace service, and you will lead Jesuit to continued success. To my classmates, the class of 2023, we are leaving the bright bubble of Jesuit and heading into our next chapter. Wherever we go, we must bring the joy and love of Christ to others. The world is a dark place and getting darker, and I challenge you to be the light and the joy that brings the world closer to Christ. It has been an honor to serve as student body president. With sincere faith, joyous hope, and brotherly love, I look forward to seeing the men of faith and men for others that each one of you will become. God bless, and go Jays.